Searching for good shells. Day 3. Alright, let's do this. Alright, so we got some shells over here. Shells over there. Shells over... Wow, you can see my shadow. Oh, selfie. Oh. Ooh, shadow selfie. Shadow selfie. Alright. Cool. Whoa, dude. There's a purple one.
Yeah, I told you.
Nice. We're just searching for shells on the beach. On the shore, I mean. There's these ones that look like bacon. They're
also buried.
They're like right here. They look like bacon. Wait. It won't freaking. There we go. Now I can see it. Alright. After a bunch of fails of that. Whoa. Cool. There's a hole in that one. Alright, so let's do this. What's this? Just a glob of sand? Shut up! Oh, dude, there's a bird. Here's a bird. Bird. Bird, 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 bird. 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 Nice. Man, all I hear is when I walk by there is, "It'll die, buddy." That's great. Whoa, dude. Cool. But that's cool. We chased down a bird. Yeah, we didn't get him. I wasn't gonna like catch him anyway. If I did, I wasn't gonna keep him. Oh, water. Yeah, we're just on the shore right now, so yeah. Alright. So let's search for some more shells. This is gonna be like a 5-minute video just searching for good shells. And like trying to find them. Find good shells on the shore. Well, the really good shells are like over here. So yeah. Water. Hey, bro. Did you find any good shells? Hey, dude, Brandon.
Yeah.
Did you find any good shells?
Yeah, we found a live clam.
You found a live clam?
Yeah,
that's
live.
cool. Where is it?
It's in the water now.
Oh, you put it back in?
Yeah, because it's going to be good food.
Yeah.
Hey, guys. You can't do that, so you know?
What's that?
This is a, this is actually a fish. You find something you want to keep, you can put them in this can. Check this out. You like that one? It's pretty. It's got a little purple in it.
And we're keeping our shells in that can. Cool. Alright, what is this one? Let me just... Oh, it's just a... Oh, whoops. Yeah. Let me get it. It's just a regular shell. With like 4 holes in it. There we go. Don't want to keep that one. But like, on this little base, they get trapped. Like, I need to put a different angle on this. But, you see, it drops off right there. So, there's a lot of shells at the base of this. Oh, Brandon found a clam. Wait, where's he at?
He's that black thing in there. You see it?
Wait.
That's him.
Let me zoom in on it.
Dad, I found another live clam.
Nice.
Check him out.
Wait, keep it still. Nice, there we go.
Alright, we're not safe.
Found a clam. Send him into the ocean. Alright. Oh, dude.
Get a big one and then just let it disintegrate.
I found a good one. Wait, let me wash it off.
Like, you just pick up a whole stack and then just let the wave take it.
That's a good one.
You'll have good stuff.
Wait, if it'll focus. I think it's focusing in there somewhere. Let's do it from this angle. There we go. That focused really well. Where's the can? Alright. Put that in there.
Ooh, that's a cool one.
Yeah, I found it, yeah.
Wow,
I liked
that
it.
one. Nice.
Cool. Alright, hope you enjoyed finding shells. Brandon found a couple clams. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.